Ladies and gentlemen, I know just like Kampala, Tororo is made of many tribes. So you will allow me today, I will speak different languages. I will speak some English, Mwenda Kwagero Luganda, I may have a chat a little bit of Patwa, you see me? Banange sanyu senyo kubala mulwalero muli bakabinyo njagala kwebaza abaana babadde wano ne bakuba omuziki malabye nga waliwo nono Brown ageze nakuba omuziki neŋŋamba story ki njagala n'okwebaza Jay-Z. Thank you for being talented but seeing your calling of leadership. Fela Kuti told us that music in this generation is not only for entertainment, it is for edutainment and revolution. Big up on yourself, brother. You don't know, respect, right? People power! Our power! Echirala. Abana betololo muli bakabi. The presidential candidate. Nenga Gambia Mr. Byabakama yesterday. Nemugamba gamba abo bachalibwa ba polisi balekerawo okugala bwekkubo kubanga nina right mwe mutomala inogena nekola campaign kati tusanze bakande bwekkubo netuyitawo netubimba people power, our power. Yes, we told you this is a protest vote. And we not come here for joke. We not come here for play. We come here for freedom. Kitegeza tetugenda kukiriza muntu yena kuyimirira mu kkubo lyaffe. Betulanga tetulina musango gwe tukoze. Bw'obanga tolina tteeka lyomenye, ng'ono talina tteeka ly'emu amenye n'apakajja, nammwe mulina okwenyumiriza mu nsi yammwe. What is that magic? All right. Kakati ekisooka. Mikwano jange obudde tulina butono naye njagala mumpulirizeeko. I have seen you so many times. Malabye ebiseera bingi nze nkimanyi nti mumanyi. I know you know me. Najua munanijua era mumanyi bulungi I am one of you. We are in the same generation. We have the same pain. We have the same dreams, and I know that we are moving together. Naye kindese wano njagala kwogera ku Uganda empya. Bwe mbadde nzija nga nzija bagaddewo oluguudo ne ngamba ise ne mpita kwolwo oluguudo lwe bayita Nagongera Road. Man, oh man. Kakati, after seeing Nagongera Road and all the roads here, netutuka ne mu kibuga ne mu site yennyini Tororo ne banemesa okuyita ku main road ne pita just a few meters outside the city banange nga wafaanana bubi. Bwe mbadde nzija bambulidde ebintu bingi ebibaluma bangambye obwavu buli wano, poverty. I know when I was growing up eno tororo mwalinga mulima cotton era nga mufuna sente naye kubanga Museveni ayagala kufuga baavu. Museveni mastered Machiavellian politics. And Machiavellian politics is when the ruler makes sure that the people he or she rules over are poor, because poor people have no right. Poor people will not demand for rights. Poor people will only want food and sleep. Chobolaba bakolachi ba making sure babavuaza ne bajawo cotton for 40 years. You are becoming poor. For 40 years you are becoming poorer. I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, that we know that and we are going to change that and we are going to flourish once again in our cotton production. Since the days of colonialism, colonialism, independence, you were great producers of cotton. It does not happen anymore. That is going to change, brothers and sisters. One other thing I want to talk about is your education. Mchimanyi, I want to have some order right there. Yo, make sure say everybody all right. Make sure say everybody irate. Kati njagala kibagambe kino. Abamu kumwe mwina abana, abamu babebi bamwe balina okubeera mu ssomero. Naye for 1 month omwezi mulamba oguyise abana tebasoma. The children are not going to school for 1 full month. Why? Why? Because the teachers are not paid. Abasomesa tebabasasula, kati abasomesa bekalakasiza. Abasomesa bekalakasa, sente Museveni zalina okusasula abasomesa abaana azisasulamu abayimbi bamuyimbire tubonga naawe. I am aware abana bangi nnyo ze najjanga wano nga nkuba emiziki. When I look in the audience, many of you are my friends. We know each other. Twalinga tu performinga wano. Obanga tulina tuli ku Queen's Palace wano Malaba. Obanga tuli wano wenyini. Naye, I know nti boda yamwe clearance bajijako right here. Babitwala nakawa. Kitegeza abana bano temukyafuna mirimu. Masubize bigenda kukyuka when I am president of this country. I am aware obutabera na mirimu obuli wano. We are aware of that. Manyi bulungi nnyo ebyenzijanjaba byammwe n'ebirala ebisingawo. But most importantly, brothers and sisters, leero size kubagamba ku bizibu bye mulina. Manyi mulina ebizibu bingi nnyo. For 40 years babafugira ku mudumu gwa mundu. For 40 years they have been brainwashing you. Listen to me, brothers and sisters. Boba, if you are 40 years and above, if you are above 40 years, let me see your hand. Above 40 years. Look, temuwera na 10%. Kitegeza more than 90% abantu abali wano temulabangako ku president mulala. Temulabangako ku president mulala. 40 years Nagongera road olaba bwefaanana. It is not only in Nagongera, it is all over the country. Ngabo Nagongera road, engodo ze Masaka bweziri, engodo ze Busonga bweziri, engodo za Choli bweziri, engodo za West Nile bweziri. Njagala okubabulira mikwano gyange, nzize wano okubakubira torch mu Uganda empya. I have come here to give you a picture of a new Uganda. Now I want you to ask me, what does the new Uganda look like? Njagala mumbuze Uganda pia efana netya. Kati sirika ngutwaleko mu Uganda empya. Kambabulire mikwano gyange. Mu Uganda empya, when I am president, tugenda kukola enguudo zino zonna. Uganda Road Network, emitwalo around emitwalo 3 ez'enguudo. Naye njagala babulira, 40 years ago Museveni we yawamba Uganda, twaina only 3% engudo nga zikoleddwa katwina only 13% after 40 years kitegeza tibwe tuba twagala engudo za Uganda zonna bazikole we need 400 years emyaka 10,000 emyaka 400 years myaka 1000 njagala okubawa essuubi 1040 yabiga mpola mpola 400 myaka 400 ziba 1000 jowero yambulidde ekikyamo. Anyway, on a serious note, katika mabuli ya bachali bangu, we actually are going to fix those roads. Buli mwaka batubako 10 trillion shillings of our money. Every year, Uganda loses 10 trillion shillings in corruption. Chitegeza checho. I want you to pay attention. That means timu miaka 5 in 5 years we have lost 50 trillion shillings. Mu miaka 5 batubyeko trilioni 50 ani azitwala. IGG, listen, IGG mukozi wa government, IGG mukozi wa Museveni, ne IGG mulyagonja atutegeza nti corrupt officials bagalo bakwata onabe kweka mabega wa Museveni. Betty Kamya bamugobe ku mulimu kati yabade IGG yagamba Uganda is not poor but our money is being stolen. I want to stand here in Tororo today and tell you that when you make me president, we have the capacity to build all those roads in a matter of 3 years. Nchindamu bwemufula president wamwe ezo sente katabachaziba tugenda kozesa sente ezo tuzimbe enguudo zaffe zonna mu Uganda mu myaka 3. Mwe abali wano mumanyi, I don't play when it comes to corruption. I don't play when it comes to taxpayers' money. Abo bonna bapa sente zaffe tugenda kubakwata sente zaffe zikole enguudo balansi asigalawo agenda kukola malwaliro. Temwina Referral Hospital wano after 40 years. 40 years. None of you has ever seen a new president. Temulabangako president mulala. Naye mubadenga mulonda. You have been going to the polls, you vote. The same old man comes back. The man is now more than 85 years. He keeps coming back. I want us to join hands and we send the old dictator back home to sleep. Dream. This that I'm telling you is like a dream, but I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, kwetwali tetunabafuna independence abazungu be bali batufuga era abazungu abo basobola okutufuga kubanga bakozesa some of us. Malcolm X taught us that during the days of slavery there were the good slaves and the bad slaves. The good slaves were few. The good slaves were always near the master. The good slaves were always well fed, and the good slaves were the ones used to control the majority. The same thing happened during colonization. Abazungu bebajja wano nga bakozesayo abantu abamukufe kwetuwa ekitiibwa ne babawa sente ne babakozesa okutukontrolinga. Kakati mwe muli wano Museveni awandika ekitabo njagala mugoberere. Yali akunganyiza abaminisita be n'abagamba picking some of those people from those tribes and those regions okubakozesa. Olunaku lwa leero muli wano mwe omuntu ayogerera Museveni ye Chaliwa phone. What this boy name? What name this boy? Yeah, this boy name of Fono Pondo. Or your Fono Pondo? Yeah, you get it. I'm 70. Now Fono Pondo. Bomulaba na ye. Kali Urunji. Moina Obos. Agamba Minister of Defense, Minister of Security. Na ye Javela. You want to go kubera insecurity. Moina ba Minister Banji. Babela along na Gongela Road. Listen to me. Odoi. And police and all of them. Now let me tell you this. The people of Tororo, the young people of Tororo, I want you in this election in Njagala Musalewo. Do you want champagne for Tanga Odoi, or you want clean water for everybody? I want the people of Tororo in this election to decide. Njagala Mweno election Musalewo. Mwagala abana ba Fox Odoi bagende basomere Kampala, oba mwagala basomere Kabulewe, bagende basomere Sabalungi, abana ba muri omuntu asomere. Now, all that is what we want to build in a new Uganda. In this new Uganda, everybody is going to be free. It does not matter your tribe. It does not matter your religion. It does not matter whether you're man or woman. Mu Uganda empia, buli omu agenda kubeera iko. Mu Uganda empia, buli omu ajja kufuna omulimu nga kisinziira ku by'osomye, na bw'oba oyagala kola batayagala kola. N'olunaku lwa leero emirimu mu gavumenti, it depends on your tribe and it depends on who is recommending you. Ekyo tekigenda kubeerawo mu Uganda empya. In a new Uganda, you are going to once again see free university education. In a new Uganda, from nursery to primary, abana bagenda kubeera basomera bwerere ate nga balya emmere n'obuugi ku ssomero. In a new Uganda, the teachers, abasomesa n'abasawo bagenda kubeera nga basasulwa bulungi and on time. In a new Uganda, gaja kuwa mawulire g'amaanyi okuwulira nti omukazi yafudde ng'azaala. What? In a new Uganda, wadde batukuba emigo, wadde batubonyabonya, nemanyi bakolera ku order, abapoliisi n'abasirikale tugenda kubongeza omusaala. In a new Uganda, we are going to create jobs. We are going to create 10 million jobs. Ate, in a new Uganda, I know, banji kume mumbuza, kati emirimu egyo gigenda kuvaawa. Let me ask you, bwe tuba tutandise project, kikakati wano nagongera lori batandise okikola, bavubuka bameka bagenda okolawo? Tetugenda kuleta Bachina wano. No. Tetugenda kuleta bazungu wano. Ugandans, I want to take bino byembagamba, Amini yabikola wano. Bino byembagamba, Obata yabikola wano. Bino byembagamba, there's this young man, a friend of ours called Ibrahim Traore. He's doing it to Bikola. Bino byembagamba byonna bisoboka. This is a very achievable thing. I want you, the young people of Uganda, to imagine yourself in a new world. I know Chibaba Tisa. I know you can't believe it. I know when I tell you Bobi, that is like heaven. Yes, it is possible. I want to tell you, we have been kept slaves for so long, 40 years. 40 years, temukiriza na kukiriza tumusobola kubafi. 40 years, no kutambula kukowali afe, bagala tumale kwechanga. 40 years, bakujako musolo ku buli kintu kyogula, wadde mazzi wadde ki, bakujako musolo. 40 years, abantu baffe bonna bali mu kkomera. I want to tell you, as soon as I am president, the first executive order is to free all political prisoners, including Dr. Kizza Besigye. In a new Uganda, yes, Dr. Kizza Besigye, Alex Waiso Mufumbiro, Eddie Mutwe, Bobby Yanga, Bobby Giant, what they were political prisoners, they will walk free. But not only that, never again will somebody be arrested and imprisoned because of their political choice. In a new Uganda, In a new Uganda, you will never see a president for more than 2 terms. Tokenda kuda mukulaba president mwamaze kukuzu miaka na. In a new Uganda national kachibabulile. Tokenda kuda mukulaba family rule. Kati Museveni enayagala jifula kingdom obulwachitula. Baboy, katika mbabulile. In a new Uganda, you are going to feel like you own the country, because we the leaders will be servants and the voters, the citizens, will be the boss. In a new Uganda, tola baba MP bagala kola chi, bano ba MP bagena parliament. Yes, manyi wali omusala mulungi nnyo. I have bad news for you, Madam MP, and all of you. We are going to reduce the salary of the MPs. Tukendeza omusala ejaba bakola mu government, tuongeze emisala gy'abasawo n'emisala gy'abasomesa n'emisala gy'abasirikale. In a new Uganda, ye Museveni buli kwalabanga chaliwe nga creating our ministry. Now we have more than 80 ministers. In the new Uganda, tugenda kubera with only 20 ministers. Only 20. In the new Uganda, olabo olwalero Museveni akozesa 2 billion every day. Clean that speaker, njagala mumpulire bulungi. Museveni akozesa 2 billion shillings every day. 1 billion is 1,000 million. So he uses 2,000 million every day. And yet sometimes tazukana kuzuku kaberange ya fude ezo neziyita obweziti. I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, that to run State House, you don't need that much money. We will not even use 10% of that, but the country will be running. Kubanga tujja kuba tuli busy nga tukulakulanya nsi yaffe. I want to tell you that when you make me president, we are going to start afresh. Omanyi button gye bayita reset button. Omanyi reset button. We are going to press the reset button. My brothers, my sisters, kambabulireko. Uganda has been better before. Some of the things they are not coming from my head. They have been there before. Twali tuwadeko ne train. We have had the train before. I want you to know that we even had inland air transport before. We don't have that anymore. We are going to have that again. You are going to enjoy your country. Amasomero gayo noneka katuza kambabulireko mwabasinga wano muli baana bato. Neze nyina bachali banga ba generation yange basomeranga eno, abamu basomeranga Toro College, abalala basomeranga Manjasi, waliwo chali wange bamuyita Faxi, muyiseko wali ne mukubira jambo, bonna balinga beno n'amasomero gayo noneka. We are going to bring back quality education. So we have a manifesto. Because of time, I want to request you. I am happy. I see so many phones. Nabe simu nyingi nyo ziri wano. Banange jagala mukozeseze simu. Please use those phones. That phone is a very important weapon for our revolution. Why? Because when you open the brain of somebody, when you open their eyes, they are free already. Malcolm X taught us that a free person cannot be a slave. We must liberate the minds of the people, and ultimately we are going to liberate the bodies of people. You have a role in this. We have shown you the new Uganda and so much more. I've shown you to Jakubovuga Kutamak Road, Okubano Paka Kampala, railway transport, Jakubo Itano, Paka Mombasa. You are going to enjoy your country. Ojakubato ina kugenda Kampala. You don't have to go to the city is going to come to you. Temugenda kudamu kusaba visa, mumagala genda kuba cheyo. No. This country is going to give us all that we want. Up the microphone a little bit. This country is going to give us what we want because it can. Na ebyo nabyo no kubitukako mbuza nti Bobby tukole tutya. Kati ino answer. Number one, tuina omukisa. We have an opportunity. Yes, twagenda ne tulonda 2021. Ne batugoba ne tiagas, ne batugoba na masasi. I did not have a rally here. Kubanga bali batugoba masasi. But you voted for me. Ne batubanga tumekwasa COVID. Today there is no COVID. Nobody of COVID. Everything is on our side. Mwana bienga tuingira ano tororo. Tewali go tuwade t-shirt ya NUP. Tewali go tuwade transport. Hakuna mchere hapa. Hakuna tewali kubasa sula. Look at you. Atena balana basigadeyo. Chitegezachi. We have that support. I want to request you, my brothers and sisters, let us change and make this support victory. Buno obuwagizi njagala tubufule obuwanguzi. Tugenda chikola tutya. I want you to believe in your ability to change it. Njagala muveyo mulonde. Please come out and vote. Please don't get tired. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on the possibility. I know for so many years Museveni tayagala mulonde kuba mulonda kaba kawedemu bwe mulonda abawedde. So for the last 5 years abadde nga bwe tugenda ne tulonda nga balangirira number 3 nga bwe tugenda ne tulonda akuba abantu. He wanted you to hate elections. Ayagala mukole violence so that afuna justification okuba abantu amasasi. Nefe tumusinga amagezi. Gamba tumusinga amagezi. Lwaki tugamba bwe tutyo? We know. Uliriza. Tumanyi nti non-violence is more powerful than violence. Tumanyi nti Museveni amanyike gali mu mundu naye bwe tujja wano mu bantu tayinaawo tubola baleta abaana ba primary school ne babateekaawo ne basasula abayimbi sente ze balina okusasula abasomesa ne babaleta babayimbiremu. Ze mmanyi okuba omuziki naye sigenda bakubira muziki leero. Lwaki? Njagala okubawa ekisinga bakyali bange njagala mumanye ti bwe mukuŋŋaana tusobola okukyusa. So mbasaba mukole bwe mutyo. And listen to this now. Please, every one of you njagala abeere agent. I want this Bobby Wine spirit to go inside every one of you. I want everyone to become Bobby Wine. I want everyone to become enlightened. I want to open your eyes. Go. Genda ogulewo amaso. Open the eyes of your parents. Open the eyes of your brother and sister. Open the eyes of your girlfriend or your wife, your boyfriend or your husband. Open the eyes of all those friends of yours. I want all of you to understand. I don't want you to support Bobby Wine. I want you to support the idea that Bobby Wine is representing. Njaga ogenda kulonda NUP. Togenda kulonda Bobby Wine. Ogenda kulonda the dream, the idea, the new Uganda, the opportunity, the chance, the possibility. So mbasaba mwena mugambe bakyali bamwe baveeyo balonde. Baveeyo balonde. Lwaki mbagamba mulonde? And listen to this, brothers. This could be the last opportunity for us to vote. Nziramu, this atenchi bagambira wano tororo. Guno guyinza okubeera omulundi ogusembayo okulonda president mu Uganda. For you, mwakiwulirako ti Museveni yali ayagala kukozesa abaminisita be ne ba MPs nga baagala kujjawo okulonda president bamulondere mu parliamenti. Temwakiwulirako? Naye kakati saawa zino tulina opportunity okugoba Museveni ne kasasiro yenna. I want to request you, my brothers and sisters, to believe in the possibility of starting afresh. We can start afresh. Uganda is the youngest country in the world. Did you hear that? Uganda yensi esingamu abantu abato mu nsi yonna. We have lost 40 years. Njagala tubenene dream in the next 5 years From 2026 to 2031, we can make a difference. We can start it. Once upon a time, when abazungu bali batufuga, na ye young men and young women like you, they faced the white people and they fought for independence. This is our 1962. This is our challenge. The future will ask us. All of you, your children will ask you that in 2026 there was an opportunity. Did you use it? We have the opportunity to make our children and our grandchildren proud. We have the opportunity to be great. We have the opportunity to be the generation that saved Uganda. This thing I'm telling you is happening. Abana barikola yona yona, abana barikola Burkina Faso, abana barikoze Madagascar, abana barikoze Cameroon, baboy tubikole. So I want to ask you to come out and vote. And you don't just vote. Mani, after here, Museveni agenda kutia akwile Foxodoi. Oladi chipade. Did you see what happened in Tororo? Opono. Did you see what happened in Tororo? Bonaba minister agenda bakubira. Eraba minister bagenda kuja Jemuli. Bagenda kuja mugeto zamwe. Babaletele usente. Babatise. Busente mubulye. Na ya kalulu akuna. I also know we would not be in this situation. Tetwandi badewetuti. Na yomanyi Museveni, we are taking over our country. Omanche akola. He looked up. He looked around the people that can challenge him. Abamu yabatta, abalala n'abasiba, abalala n'abagula. So, all the people that would have spoken for you, they don't speak for you because of money. Ababasajja bonaba oboss nalina bo mu parliament. Bwemba mulieno akugamba you see I see all these things, but my brother, there's no future, there's no hope. Bote bekiririzamu kubanga batya. Kati ensi yali yapoa Katonda nagenda mu ghetto najayo mu banda. Savazino, they are in trouble. Museveni is in trouble. Mumanyi wachi abafude bavu, abafude yala. Neta, you cannot stop time. Bob Marley agamba, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Wejemu obusibe obombongo. Nakugamba, have no fear for the guns and bombs. Do not fear the guns and bombs because they cannot stop the time. Museveni awamba bajaja bafe, na wamba batata neba mama bafe, na wamba fe, kati abana bafe bakuze nga bageto, bakuze nga baliyala, kati ali mu danger, kati njagala babulira. There's a ghetto man here, and I see ghetto people there. Rise! Tugende tumujeko. You have every reason. You have every possibility. It is in your hand. Bana basajja tubatya naye batutya nnyo. Batutya nnyo because we don't have anything to lose other than our chains. Kati mbasaba mukole bwe muti. Bw'ogenda n'omala okukonvinsinga abantu balonde. Bw'omala okukonvinsinga family yo bagende balonde. Don't just vote for anything. Don't vote for slavery. Bw'ogenda okulonda. Let me have our candidates here, especially Mama, come here. Anybody have an umbrella? When you go to vote, I am not alone. I am speaking, but I'm speaking on behalf of you. I am talking about your pain because I understand you. But also I'm speaking on behalf of these other leaders. When you go to vote, Mogendo Kulonda, Niko Mutabirauna, Uyafana Nendo, Agena Kujanechi, Agena Kujanechi, whatever umbrella Kolachi, whatever umbrella Kolachi. Now before I conclude, I want to request these leaders, just introduce your name and your constituency.
My name is Ochola Moldon Felix from West Budama, Northeast.
My name is Akolia Ibunamwito from the Central Doroa Nwanyini Kasalafu.
My name is Okot Ronald from West Budama Central. We are going to remove Honorable Minister Omoto this time. This one.
My name is Ocheng Simon Peter from Tororo County North. Kunga Chakula Kunga.
The names O'Brien Ameni Sif, Tororo County South. We want to part with those NRM. Kunga Chakula Kunga.
My name I'm called Valentine Owori for Tororo Municipality. Kuruno Musade Kulaita Apolo. Eyake Takalia Periomo Katale. Eyako Taka Kukabiyonjo. Nyari Adiza. Neduwa Nyakatale. Yakadibu Kabiyonjo. Tugenda Mutuale Chaji.
Aguma kumanyi nawe, ono bamanyi.
People power. NUP. My name is Al Jamal Jay-Z, Mayor Western Division LC3. Nachi.
Wewe, kwa nini unanifanana?
People power. Our power. President John Robert Chagulanyi, Zomubuka Ekaya Budo Malaba, Okuhini Yanga Mayor, Malaba Town Council. Senti Chiki de Malaba Kuboda Malaba, hey! Malaba, hey! Never gonna Kuamra Nalo. Yes, people power. People power. My name is Henry Ochieng, MP2B, West Budama North. Your Excellency, I am the MP2B for that constituency where Nagongera is, that bad road. When you're president and I'm the Minister of Finance, it will be done. People power! People power! Engineer Samueli Oyuki West Budama South! People power! Our power! Jabulani Mbale! I'm called Okot Edwin, Councillor 3 Dison Maguria Parish. Vote Bobo Inaro, Jabulani. People power! Our power! Abasukuru muri mutia! Owa amanyi ngasigawulira. Amanya yenze Olem Ronald, Mayor wa Sukuru Town Council. Yagala twebereremu kulonda manguli. People power, our power, NUP, everywhere. Kunga Chakula Kunga. And my name is Mukakanya Alex Mukaka, Mayor to be Tororo Municipality. Thank you so much. Kunga Chakula Kunga. By the names I'm still Crispin, the district chairperson and the ex-aspirant LSDP of Akadari Sub-County, where everybody can come from. Thank you so much. People power. I'm Awori James Sebastian Hasler. I'm Agoro B Parish, Councillor 4. Let's go! I'm Nassan Katande, Secretary General NUP Tororo District, Councillor to be Pajinaja Ward, Pajina Town Council of Budama Central. People power!
I want the lady to be the last.
It is not you who wants the lady to be last. I want the lady to be last. Yo.
Thank you very much, Bobby. Now we are in the district whereby they are distributing us every day that they are dividing the district. And I'm coming in as the chairperson. And that is the first thing, President. We want the district divided. It is too big. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Gamine Safi, Kocha.
People power, our power. Yeah, I'm aspiring Councillor 4, Capital Rose Mama Kobi.
Thank you, Mama. Okay. Let us just 1 minute for our woman MP.
People power, our power. People power, our power. NUP, everywhere.
Tunoneka ina fire. People power. Our power. Nechino kachibagambe bachali bange. Banange bwe muba mulonda. Togamba bugambi nti kasitanoze wano President Bobi Wine ene walane bwe nonda NRM. Tolonda kintu kyonna kya yellow. Tolonda kintu kyonna kya yellow. Tebabatiza tisa mbono minister next year nze ngenda okubeera president. Era ba minister mbalaba wano bwe bati. Okay? Tebabatiza ekirala nakyo kakibagambe mpulidde boogera ku PDM wano. Bannange kambabulire. Mwe abavubuka temwetaaga just kubawaayo bubi. Bajja kuwa milioni emu ng'oli mutembeyi ogula ebintu ate bakukwate kanso babikujjeko wano Museveni asigala kubanja. Nabagambye ezo sente ze babawadde bwefuuka pulezidenti teri ababanja. Teri abakola ki? Ate tugenda kuleta programs endala ezigenda okubayamba okugaggawala mwe kennyini nga si bya kubabanja nga si bya kubafuula baslave. Tewagenda kujayo muntu nga tava mumwe. Bamanelenda bonna mubamanyi gye bava. Bamanelenda temubamanyi. Kati nabo mubagambe nti it is over. Mubagambe it is over. It is going to be a new beginning, a new dawn. Bachali bange njagala kumaliriza nga mbabulira kikisoboka. Muveeyo mukole bino ebintu bina, mukanoonye, mukalonde, mukakuume, bwe bakaba mukole ki? Nakati okukanoonya kutandika kati. It begins now. Mugende spreading a message. Nabasabye mujino emyezi 2-3 egisigaddeyo. Please use your phone, use your TikTok, spread the message. Bino byenjogedde nandibadde mbyogera mu Ludama, nandibadde mbyogera mu Luteso, lwakuba Luteso lwange lwayala neera manyira katono. Emily akolai! Ayala manoi. Kakati njagala kubasaba message eno giteke mu Ludama, message eno giteke mu Luteso.
So we are moving time. Hello, excuse me.
Message eno mugiteke mu
If I'm to run away now, where will you get me?
Problem from problem is another problem.
Jagala mutambuze plani yaffe baleme tuyita bayaye. Jagala bamanye tuli bavubuka bato naye tuli smart. Tutambudde ensi yonna. We've been all over the world. We can change Uganda in a very short time. Bamumalo kanonya making sure buli muntu understanding kyalonda. Titalonda just Bobby kubanga Bobby wakabi. Nedda njagala mulonde Bobby kubanga mulonda New Uganda. Bwe mumalo kanonya mukalonde, make sure everybody votes. Sagalo government tubadde bangi anze ne bwesilonda akalulu akamukoka. No, we need every vote. We need every vote. Ate mulonde mulungi tetwagala kalulu konna kafe. Banange byabakama yagambye between 19 million voters registered. Mubana abalonzi Museveni tainaamu. Chobola atayagala mulonde mbasaba muturning up. Turn up, it's going to be a public holiday. Please come out and vote. Please come out and vote. Tutambula all over the country. Zesimanyi bantu bameka benjogera nabo, but I talk to so many people and I will talk to more because I am young and I am strong and I'm fit.
So no.
You are also young and you are strong.
Wanga amaliza chwanichi. Motoka ya mawulire eriwa. Okay, Mokoto was some Uganda. A president amaliriza mukirize nzire ku motoka ya mawulire nga bukyali kubanga ebidako birala.
MPs mbasaba mutunga MP MPs abatali corrupt ba MPs ba Museveni bali corrupt yabagamba njagala mujewo term limit n'abawasente ne bajawo term limit n'abagamba njagala mujewo age limit n'abawasente ne bajawo age limit alisema kati njagala coffee ne bamuwa coffee jaga donari akora wadde bya kisiru balikiriza because they have money because they give them money njagala mulondera MPs nga babatya nga baba respectinga nga tebagenda bagula ye flag bearer aliwago musiraze chali wange baye mupinga bano baye mpingo ne mama Tofa mbimanyi gino gyali mirimu gyange naawe Alaba, tekakoze bino mbimanyi kati nekino njagala kibagambe badde mbagambe kunoonya akalulu naye mu kunoonya akalulu tukozesa tekinologi manyi bulungi nnyo ti Museveni ayagala okutupaintinga ng'abamenyi b'amateeka mumanyi nti Christopher Damulira owa poliisi yajja muno agenda mu buli geto bwe bagenda mu geto tebanonyayo bantu batali bali talented nga nze naawe banoonya ba criminal banoonya ababbi abaziba emisango ne babagamba kakati mwe katubakolemu kye bayita ghetto structure. Listen to me. Era mubalabye labayo mubalabye wano nga tuyingira abamu ababbaka abantu amasimu njagala okubasaba mikwano gyange mwe ba foot soldiers nama abavubuka we have a duty to create a good name. Enesimu yono madamu jaina it is a big weapon. Enesimu ekuyamba yamba n'omuntu yenna enesimu eringe mundu yaffe enesimu eringe mundu yaffe wadde katono kama pesa. So njagala okubasaba nti omuntu yenna olede tubasabe mukozese essimu zammwe bw'olaba omuntu yenna nga madamu agyemu essimu ye atutuluza amapushing emessage ng'omuyaye nabba essimu oyo omubbi w'essimu mumuyise nga mubbi wa mundu. Tulina okubalaga nti ffe tetuli babbi. Kino kye twagala okukola kigenda kuyamba abo bonna n'abo ababbi. So we are not criminals. Tubadde disciplined. Tulina empisa. Ensonga lwaki ne bano abapoliisi abasirikale tebasobola tukuba tiyagasi baagala nnyo tukuba tiyagasi naye tebalina we batandikira. Baagala tustopenga naye tebalina we batandikira. Please keep the discipline. I request you to keep the discipline. Tusobola okikola kano kasimu kamitwalo 2 tekonoona future yo forever. Temukkiriza Museveni bakozesa baslaves bwe baba balwana baba beegemesa bokka bokka. That phone that young lady is holding is going to rescue you, is going to liberate you. Therefore, we all have a duty to protect the weak. Tulina omulimu okuprotecting abo abanafu. Protect that woman, protect that girl, protect that old man, protect their phone. Kuba essimu byakwata agenda biteeka ku TikTok abafollowers be 2 3 4 babulire message etambule. Therefore, I am warning the thieves. Njagala okuwoninga ababbi abatulimu. Manyi nti Damulira yabatusindisemu. Manyi nti Museveni yabatusindisemu ono n'erinnya lyaffe. This is an instruction. Mwenna njagala mubeere ba foot soldier nga mudifendinga abanafu. Please defend the weak. Bw'olaba omubbi yenna agezaako okubba essimu ku muntu mumuyise nga mubbi waki. Njagala ababbi babeere nga batutya. Njagala abantu bajja mu lwale zaffe bamanye nti eyo tebabbirayo eyo tebakolerayo misango. We have a mission. Fenna enjala ebeera etuluma naye tusalawo what is good for everybody. Njagala kumaliriza nga mbabuulira kino. In well governed countries mu nsi ezo zi Italy, the United Kingdom, the America, it is not that the leaders are so good. Si nti abakulembeze balungi nnyo wabula abantu tebakkiriza kubeera basilevu. Balina kye bayita common good. Mu nsi eya common good ne bw'obeera ng'oli mugagga nnyo ne bw'obeera ng'oli mwavu nnyo mubeera mwekanakana. Osobola okubeera ng'oli mwavu nnyo ng'ono rasita naye bw'ofuluma mu nnyumba yo toliyala nnyo rasita naye jasikozesa nga example. Osobola okubeera ng'oli yala naye ne bw'obeera ng'oli mwavu bw'ofuluma mu nnyumba yo obeera mugagga ng'abalala kubanga amadwaliro gakuyamba nga bwe gayamba omugagga. Oluguudo ne bw'oba ovuga bodaboda ng'oli avuga benzi akuna linnya. Poliisi n'amagye n'ekkooti bikuprotectinga the same. Naye wano mu Uganda ne bw'obeera ng'oli mugagga nnyo ne bw'obeera ng'oli sudil ne bw'obeera ng'oli wava muno ne bw'obeera ng'oli mugagga nnyo obugagga bwo bukoma mu nnyumba yo. Bw'ofuluma ebweru you are as poor as the poorest Ugandan. Bw'ofuna accident obonabona ng'abalala insecurity kwafectinga n'ebirala bwe bityo. So we have to choose whether we will have champagne for a few or we will have clean drinking water for everybody. We have to choose whether we will get a few children to study from good schools or we make all schools good for every child. Ekyo tusobola kikola mikwano gyange abavubuka betoloola okusobola kifuna. So mbasaba bwe muba muzeeyo spread that message. Don't sell your conscience, don't sell your heart. Manyi bagenda baletera sente, manyi bagenda batiisatiisa ne bakyali bange musobola kikola ate nekirala muzimbe gaali. Njagala buli omu ali wano ng'olina abakyali bo 5 ng'olina abakyali bo 10 naye nga ba understanding a mission gye tuliko. This is a historical mission. This is a historical mission. This is a mission of our generation. We either break free or we die trying to break free. Manyi bulungi temutya kino kye mutulaze wano. Abaana b'e Buganda bakitulaze, abaana b'e Busoga bakitulaze, abaana ba West Nile bakitulagera bagenda kiddamu. All over the country we can choose this time. We can choose this campaign to open the eyes and the brains of the people. Netufuuka bakabi mugenda kunyumirwa Uganda, mugenda kunyumirwa Uganda, mugenda kubeera mu Uganda ng'erina more than one airport. Tetulina kubeera na airport emu ng'oli Tororo naye ng'oyagala genda London ng'olina kuvuga paka Ntebe. What kind of nonsense is that? Lwaki tulina airport emu? Tetulina taka anange munonde ngenda bikola, anange mutulondo tugenda bikola, tugenda kubeera nga bwe baagala okulongoosa. You will not have to go to India. Kati abakulembeze baffe bafiira Nairobi, bafiira India, bafiira Germany, bafiira London, bafiira America. Ekyo tekigenda kubeerawo. Njagala bwe nabeera president nga bwe ndwala nga ne president bamujjanjabira wano ne baminisita babajjanjabira wano, Amini baali bamujjanjabira wano, Obote bamukuba amasasi bamulongooseza Mulago ne Museveni ne bwafuna senyiga ku nnyonyi zwi nga bamutwala Sweden. Tekigenda kubamu kubeerawo. It is not going to happen. Njagala tukole eddwaliro lya Mulago nga ne president bamujjanjabira Mulago. Njagala Obote asobola ogenda mu Soroti hospital ne bamulongoosa. Twagala nga ba MP bawano nga babajjanjabira wano nga bazaalira wano nga baana bano basomera wano, so that we have the same standard for everybody. We are going to achieve that. Banange nyina bingi byembadde njagala obagamba naye budde buweeyo. Njagala kusaba Katonda ali waggulu abakuume, abawa amaanyi, abawe confidence, atuyambe